Wow naman. Sila ulit. Paano na ako? How about me? Daddy and Clark love so much. Clark, Bella, Daddy love so much. How about mommy? How about mommy? Mommy jealous a little bit to my two pets. Because Daddy always have time for Bella and Clark. Oh. Sabi niya, no? What? No? I know that. Mommy know that yet. Daddy love Clark and Bella. How about Mommy? Mommy is always in this side. And besides, I only in the side. Awawang awawa. Nasa tabi-tabi lang. Tapos yung dalawa sa gitna. Paborito. Why you favorite the two pet? Nag-iisip na yung asawa ko eh. Kasi nga, agad niya binitawan si Clark eh. Clark, go to daddy na. Go to daddy, daddy. Daddy. Go to daddy. Don't. Go to daddy na. Sige na, love to daddy there. I'm just kidding. Sige na, let's go there. Let's go to daddy. Call her. Call him for he understand you.
Daddy boy, come here.
Okay. Binuhat niya ako, guys, oh. Binuhat niya ako.
Okay, mommy, go.
Sige na, dali. Because I'm jealous, you understand that. No, just tumabi siya sa akin. You understand what is jealous, Clark? No, I'm just happy when Daddy touching you, caress you, and Bella. I'm happy for that. Sometimes, I'm jealous. Sometimes, Clark. Binuhat niya ako, guys, eh. Binuhat mo si Mami? Hindi mo naman kaya si Mami. Kahit nga paan ni Mami, hindi mo kaya, eh. Hindi ka dali. Love you. Hoy, Belapot. Panilinis ikaw dyan, ha? Belapot. Makati. Makati ang likod ni Clyde. Ay. Makati.
How many times they finish it?
Ha?
How many times you put?
1,000 times. The cat is 1,000 times to clean themselves. Ayan, no?
We have to time up, you and me, and God, and morning.
Ikaw, dalaga ko. Kaya na ikaw, love? I don't eat love, ha? I only eat, I eating but only, quick.
Me eating. Rice and
Okay, bossing. Bye-bye, guys. I'm preparing my husband foods. See you for the next vlogs, for the next video.